everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with my first wax seal stamp that I will be making, and this I did receive from Craspire, so thank you Craspire. And oh my goodness, so never done this before. I'm a little scared because oh my goodness, yeah, oh my goodness. So anyways, so basically as you guys saw on my unboxing, I got this wooden for my wax seals, and it comes with this little cute heart, and basically you just put it on the bottom before putting it on the bottom. You turn it on, you put them on the bottom, and you put your wax in there. So I do have to admit, I did have to see some YouTube videos just to like make sure to know what I'm doing. Didn't want to mess up. So on this one, some of these have a wick. This one I don't see one. So basically what I saw is that basically you would have to cut it, and some people used a X-Acto knife, so that's what I am doing now. And like I said, this is my first time doing this, so I do apologize. And I am trying to cut it straight forward. Maybe I should have just exact. Maybe I could just cut it right here. Let me see. So I don't see a wick on here. So this is one of the things on this one. This came in as a set with these and this together. Not this. They do have the individual wax that come in a different package by themselves. So like I said, this was a whole package, so that's why I got this. I did get the wooden one because I am always afraid of tilting it, and this one, as you guys can see, there is no way I can tilt it. So I am very clumsy, so I'm pretty sure I would have like tilted it. So anyways, let's go ahead and put that in there. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's get ahead and have a project out ready so I could seal it. I'm wondering if I should use one of these. Maybe I should have just used it on a flat project. There you go. Let me see. Let me go ahead and take this out. I will need to put that on the side for now. And just make sure this is for use of 18 years and older. Don't have kids play with this. It's, you don't want a child to be playing with this and for this to, to tilt or catch on fire. And then I went ahead and did that. So now it's on the bottom. I have my thing in here, so let's go ahead and just wait till it starts melting. While that's melting, why don't I go ahead and cut another piece, because I'm pretty sure I would have to do another piece, and while that is heating up and melting. So there you go. So make sure you have your stuff, all your area clear, so something hopefully doesn't happen. Make sure you have like a glass of water in case, like I said, if an accident was to happen, at least you are prepared and not the worst thing that's happened. So let me see if I can cut this up. Not yet. So these are pretty hard to cut, you guys, so make sure your X-Acto knife is sharp enough. Mine is about to fall off, and there you go. So as you guys could see, it's melting. I am waiting still while it melts. Like I said, while it melts, I will cut another piece right here. Wow, it's really hard, you guys. So if this is hard, that means whenever you do the seal, the wax seal, it means that it's gonna actually stay there for a while. It's not gonna just like, the image is not gonna undo. So there you go. I might need an actual knife. that's still melting. Oh, there you go. Oof. And yeah, there's no wick in here, so you guys be careful when you guys use this. Make sure that... Hey you guys, I got cut off while I was doing this. Don't know what happened, but anyways, so my first try, I didn't completely do a very good seal. I did partial. I didn't put enough wax. You can barely see the image on here. You could see it and it looks really nice and everything. So I went ahead and did another one. Make sure your area is clear from all other objects or anything. It is a safety hazard or a fire hazard. And I did say you leave this about 15 seconds, 30 seconds. So, oh, way better. I like. Look at you guys. This is so cute. So I did cut another piece while I was waiting for this to warm up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put another one in here. And there you go. So I did put the red one now. So how cute. I like. So let me see if this is cold enough. So this set comes with these pens. And these pens are actually meant to color over your wax. So you could make it look correctly. And this is my second wax seal attempt, and I'm so excited how it actually came out. We are waiting for the other one to cool down or to melt up. And like I did say, if you order this, it comes out as a set, so be prepared to cut that. They do sell the wax seals in little squares already cut up for you. So Craspire has that all on their website. I will link them down on the description below so you guys could go over and check them out. And oh, I'm loving this. So I was like a little iffy once I saw how this was looking, because the image is good, but the wax is dark. But once you put the color on here, look at you guys, it comes out so gorgeous. Look at you guys. I love it. This is my first time using these, so I'm so super excited. Oh my goodness. So now I want to stamp some more stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm not even that prepared. So let's go ahead and do this one. This is a bigger heart. I wanted to do it on this, but it's already we could try it. Let's try it out. So this looks like it's melted, but not really melted. Let's go ahead and try it on this. I want to try it on this. Since this one's going to be the red one, might turn out nice. So I'm still waiting for it to dry out. And look at you guys. So this was my first attempt. I thought I was recording. Somehow my recording stopped. And let's go ahead and do this one still. That's okay. So, how cute. I so liked. I was so afraid. So afraid because, you know, not used to doing something different, but sometimes doing something different is also awesome. So there you go. And it still works. It still works. So how cute. This is my second attempt. So just make sure you have enough wax, and you know, there you go. And let's try another one. And this one says thank you. Let's go ahead, and it might be already melted enough. Let's go ahead and so there you go. I hope I have enough. And I did clean this part right here because, you know, I don't want it to melt down onto my candle down there. So let's go ahead and do the thank you. Make sure you have it in the right position, and it looks like it. We'll see. Well, hopefully I caught enough of it. wait a few seconds. I would want to say maybe 15 to 60 seconds. While I'm waiting for that one, you could continue doing maybe another one. And this one's going to be again the bird one. Valentine's is coming up. This is an awesome time to start using these. Thank you notes, thank you for, joining my channel. Thank you for coming along, or, stuff like that. So, then I think that one was ready already. I hope I put it, make sure you always have it on the right side, and oh, how cute. I like it. There you guys go. Look at how cute. So I will be turning off my thing already. I'm not going to use it no more. And let's go ahead and color this one gold. It is so cute. I like it. And it says thank you. So whenever you send a thank you card or a thank you note, these will be awesome to have on there. Oh, that is so cute, you guys. Look it. I love it. I did not think I was going to like doing wax seals at all, but you know what? I'm actually surprised that I actually like it. Let me see if this one's gonna undo. And then I did not do enough wax on this one, but you know what? It still works. It's still, oh, the gold is so nice. Look at you guys, how cute. Well, hopefully I will link Craspire and the items I got from them down on the description below, so you guys could go over, check them out, and hopefully you guys, get the courage like I did to get these. Oh my goodness, how awesome. Anyways, thank you. We'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.